What's up, guys? This is a bike check. I have a 2012 Verde XL, and I'll show you the parts on it. First, back wheel is an Odyssey Hazard V3 double wall, laced to a a Haro 50-to-1 conversion kit back hub. Right-hand drive, obviously, as you can tell. Got a mechanic half-link chain in blue. Animal GLH 225 tires, front and back. And front rim, or wheel, I should say, came off the stock Sabrosa. I don't know which one. I think it was a Salvador Dirt. I have Cartel 2 forks, Cartel 2 bars, 28 wide and 8.25 rise. I have a Sean Sexton seat in army green, kink stump seat post, Odyssey twisted PC pedals that are brand new. I just got the other day. They spin okay. I mean, this side spins better than the other one, but whatever. Grips are Animal Ed ones. Very nice. And the bar ends, they were par ends, I think they were. This is the other side. Or no, they were the Animal ones that came with the grip. I kind of fell and dislocated my knee. You can't really see it, but I can't really ride that good. And the other one broke. Yeah, I got some stickers on there. I got a Shadow Scream sprocket. Stock cranks that came on the bike. The frame's the Vex XL with a 21-inch top tube. Stem's just a normal, the stock stem that came with it. I flipped it upside down. I got integrated headsets. Sealed back hub. Front one is not sealed. So yeah, this bike's really dialed. Come over here and do a little thing for you. I don't have brakes either. I took them off the other day because I got really fucking sick of them. Alright. I'll pick up the bike and just drop it. And that rattling noise is actually my back wheel because it's a little loose, if you can hear. Probably not, but whatever, you guys get the point. 21-inch top tube. Nice fat seat on there. Good to go. Very nice bike. I'll do a hub sound. It's pretty loud. I mean, you can hear it. Hang on. It's pretty decent. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and if you like this video, give that fucker a like. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.